What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Doc TV. We're gonna try something different. We're gonna do A&E special. It's a court show. They're gonna go inside the courtroom. I guess in the jailhouse from A&E. So we'll check it out. Something new for us. We're gonna see what it do. Let's check it out.
Next, we're in Paris, Kentucky, where 30-year-old Bass Webb has been charged with 2 counts of attempted murder. This surveillance video taken outside a Kentucky jail a week earlier captured the moment when Webb, a former inmate there who served 3 months on assault charges, accelerated his car and tried to run over 2 jail employees. One man was able to get out of the way, but one man was injured after Webb's vehicle pinned him against a wall.
Ooh, he ain't playing. He said, "Man, I'm coming back for y'all." That's crazy. Wonder how he know it was him though.
At his first court appearance before Judge Vanessa Dixon, Webb's bad behavior continued. Judge Dixon then
Man, I can't take it with might tell you what to do, huh? But let's see what he man, I don't know. He looked like he had previous history with this judge. Looks like it's some history there, but it don't look like it's gonna turn out good.
Informed Webb she's recusing herself from the trial because she knew the 2 jail employees he targeted with his vehicle.
There's no way I'm going to try this case or have any further proceedings, or I have to see you for one further step. Step for the hearing next week.
Watch again.
And it ain't even, I don't even think any spit went out, but it's a gesture. But she got kind of like, he just like, scum of the earth. Like, I don't want to deal with you because I know the people you tried to hit. I don't even want to see you for another second. Man, he ain't got respect for too much or nothing.
As Webb literally
it did fly.
on the judge.
Oh.
But this incident is far from the last time Bass Webb will spit in the face of the law.
She should.
While waiting to go to trial, he and 4 other inmates incited a riot inside the Riot County Detention Center.
He turned up. So he spit in the judge's faces, running over the employees. And man, now he started to riot. But they following him, man. They documenting this. He turned up.
After being shot with beanbag bullets, and hit in the neck by a pepper ball, Webb whips a metal telephone box at a corrections officer.
If I were to launch this at someone 10 feet away, because this is capable of stopping that, does not mean that that is not readily capable of causing death or serious physical injury.
Webb was found guilty of 3rd-degree assault and sentenced to 15 years in prison. And for his attempt to run over the 2 jail employees, he was later found guilty of 2 counts of attempted murder and got an additional 37 years. Bass Webb was facing a total of 52 years behind bars, but more disturbing accusations were on the way.
I don't know the history of the past or whatever we got going on, so I'm just speaking from what I'm seeing in the video. You got drug offenses, you got things with gang enhancements, RICO, all this stuff is carrying like minimum life sometimes, all these different football numbers and stuff, and all that stuff he did, and it was talking about 15 years. He pretty much spit in the judge's face, started a riot, they documented the riot. He tried to run over 2 of the employees that worked in the jail he was locked up in, but you see they throw the 37 years on there, so, anyway, let's see what goes on with the rest.
While incarcerated, he was charged with the unsolved murder of an ex-girlfriend. Facing a possible death sentence if convicted at trial, Webb pled guilty to the murder and got an additional 50 years. Now, 5 years later, Bass Webb is back in court yet again after being charged with the murder of a different girlfriend nearly a decade earlier. The cold case came back to haunt him after a jailhouse tip led to the discovery of the woman's remains. This time, as he's let in, he reveals a new sinister look that shocks those in attendance. A closer look at Webb's recent head tattoos reveals a demented murder hit list. It reads, "Those that must die, all judges, all prosecutors, all cops, the media." Below that, 3 rats have been scratched out, and many more, plus an expletive on the other side. Gruesome details emerge about how Webb choked his then-girlfriend to death and buried her body in a shallow grave.
Mr. Webb, do you want to come forward?
When the judge asks Webb to come forward, he remains seated and smiles. Finally, after more than a week in the courtroom, the judge reads the jury's verdict.
You have found the defendant guilty of the offense of intentional murder.
Bass Webb is then sentenced to life in prison with the possibility of parole after 25 years.
Possibility. Man, all right. So we're going to stop it there. Possibility parole. That's, again, when we compare people doing the crimes, it's like he has no intentions of remorse or anything like that. This not to, I'm laughing at some of it, but it's not to like show any, make a joke or mockery of any of the people that lost their lives, man, or got injured or hurt, because, those are people, kids, daughters, sons, whatever have you, whoever's involved. So, rest easy to the people that were involved. But man, all that he did, and he just, he's writing his own story, and they just hitting him with numbers. And they actually said he will be eligible for parole, like, after 25 years, they said. So 25 years, that's not a super long time. It sounds long, but you can get through 25 years. Anyway, crazy, y'all. I just want to do something different, react to that. But anyway, until next time, take care of each other. Long live D-Mac.